Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI and Blizzard Entertainment are proud to announce a special collaboration to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the World of Warcraft and the release of the War Within expansion with the new limited edition graphics card, the GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB Gaming Slim World of Warcraft Edition is designed to deliver an outstanding gaming experience powered by the Nvidia 4070 Super GPU and the graphics card support advanced technologies such as DLSS and ray tracing to deliver superior graphics quality and smooth gameplay. And the limited edition design features the iconic majestic blue and glorious gold color of World of Warcraft and additionally comes include with set of exquisite magnetic puzzle backplate inspired by the 10 expansion from World of Warcraft 20-year history. User can mix and match their backplate to their preference and style. In this collaboration between MSI and Blizzard is heartfelt tribute to World of Warcraft. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.